Okay. So now we're going to see how to create your administrator login for Certiport to conduct your exams. So first go to certiport.com, the website. CERTIPORT, certiport.com. Okay. Certiport.com. So as soon as you say certiport.com, it takes you to the website. Under this website, click on login or register. So you're going to register for the first time. Okay. So now you have an option called as new users. Click on register here. Okay. Select English. Country as India. Okay. I agree. I'm not a robot. Select all images with cars. So I'm selecting it here. Okay. Say verify. It's verified. Now click on next. So it takes you to the next screen. First name. So always first name, make sure to put it as NICT. Last name, put your center name. So in this case, let's say Koramangala. Okay. I'm just typing wrong data. Say, let's say, in this case, RT Nagar. Okay. Select whatever name you want. Display the surname first. Your date of birth, whatever the date of birth yours is. Okay. What is the username you need? I need NICT. Okay. NICT Koramangala. In this case, I'll just say NICT RT Nagar. Enter the password, whatever you need. Okay. Confirm the password. Security question, select any one. Type the answer. Second security question, select any one. Type whatever answer is and say next. Now it's asking your email ID. So enter your email ID. Confirm the email ID. Your phone number, that is mobile number. Student ID, you don't have to give anything. Allow Certiport to contact me via email. Write your postal address. Write proper and full address. Here I'm just typing something. Don't specify alternative address, say next. Are you currently enrolled as a student? No. Are you currently employed? No. Gender, male or a female. What describes you best? Say. Anything you want. Just say something. Say submit. You can also say currently employed as yes. It'll ask you too many questions. Say submit. Okay. So here, don't select this option. Select this option. Register to become a proctor. You want to become a proctor so that you can conduct exams. So say register to become a proctor. Okay. And then say next. If you normally you do this for students. So you're not a student, so don't select this. Select register to become a proctor. This is very, very important. Say next. View proctor agreement. Just scroll bar. Then say accept. Okay. Then proctor agreement status accepted. Next. Okay. So it says, congratulations, you have successfully completed account setup, everything. Say finish. That's it. Okay. So after you finishing it, send me the screenshot. So whenever you are entering, make sure you click on the screenshot, save it, and then select me send me your username and password so that I'll activate and give you as your exam. So once that is done, you can conduct exams by yourselves. So you know how to create student. Now you know how to create yourself as a proctor. So once you become a proctor, then I'll show you how to conduct exams. Okay. Thank you.